Hi, I'm Professor Múcio Porto from Brazil. I'm a plastic surgeon in Brazil, and I would like to invite you for our next course talking about the facial aesthetics here in Dubai, UAE. This course is specific for giving our colleagues the way we analyze the face of a woman or a man in relation to the proportions, to the aesthetic aspects, for you to know how to begin this evaluation. It's a very good opportunity for you to learn how to continue improving your skills, or even to begin, because as a plastic surgeon I will give you the tips and tricks for you to analyze and to decide the best way for bringing beauty and harmony to your patient. So I'm waiting for you in our brand new courses next time here in Dubai, UAE. Bye-bye.